Alright folks, this is the final configuration of the machine. All the parts have been anodized and assembled. We have a new vacuum system in place. You can see the pressure intensifier in the back there. It's an air over hydraulic pressure booster for the collet closer. We'll take a quick walk around before we start the machine. Here's the electrical panel at the back showing the power supplies, or other power supply, motor controllers, the pneumatic manifold, and then the extended I/O for the controller. Around utility we have air coming in, power coming in, and power going out to the vacuum system. We had to upgrade the vacuum to a 5 horsepower system to be able to clear the chips. Right, so we'll just turn this on, power comes on. Okay, we're in the startup mode. Okay, the door is closed and the system's finding home and then coming back up to a loading position. Okay. So at this point we're going to, and I'll try to do this with one hand, load the two-hand operation, but load the rotator body assembly. There we go. And close the door. Then we'll insert the rod. Rod goes all the way through, comes out above the load cell. We look at the PLC and looks like we're good to go. Start. We've optimized the process since the last video, and our process cycle time is down to about 1 minute 48 seconds compared to the 4 minutes we were running when we first put the machine together. So the rotation is occurring at the same time the linear motion takes place. So we're pulling the tube and tightening the spring until it locks on with a load of 30 pounds. See, that's already happened. We're at 30 pounds with 79-degree rotation. So after that, everything goes back home. The tension is taken off the spring, and the operator is instructed to remove the tube for the drilling process. So we remove the tube, go back to the control panel, hit next. So the rotary system goes back to the point at which the load was 30 pounds, or whatever preset happens to be. Then it moves an additional offset angle. And with that, we're done. Okay. Now, some enhancements that were added, if you can see, we've added a couple of jets of air to help direct the chips from the drilling process into the vacuum. And we've also added a Venturi manifold at the back, blowing air through the bore to remove the chips from the inside of the plastic, directing them out the backside into the vacuum system. So that's it.